This is a fun and easy summer craft that'll keep your kids busy for a long time. It's really easy to start. All you have to do is cut out 2 rectangles out of cardboard and glue them onto a piece of square cardboard. On the back, tape some yarn in place and start wrapping it around the square. Try to space the yarn out evenly when you wrap it around. Next, thread a craft needle with some really fun, colorful yarn. Okay, here's the fun part. Now you get to weave back and forth. Move your needle to go above and below each string. When you get to the end, go around the last string to start a new row. On the new row, you're going to do the exact opposite of what you just did on the previous row. If you went up and over the string, now you're going to go down and under the string, and vice versa. During the weaving process, you might run out of yarn, and that's okay. All you have to do is tie another piece of yarn onto the end and keep weaving. This is a great way to change colors, textures. You could do all sorts of fun things with this. When you're done weaving, flip the cardboard over and cut the strings. Tie the 2 closest strings together with a double knot so it doesn't unravel. You could leave it like this, or you could turn it into a little wall hanger like I did. I'd love to hear what you think about this fun summer project in the comments. Like, follow, and share for more!